showing you how to use double-sided laces. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a video. I am adding this cake to the member section of the website, and I am also adding it to the section in YouTube for members. So if you want to join, you can check that member section. In here, I go step by step on how I made this cake. In the cake, I used the lace, so I decided to share how did I work with this mold. There are many laces in the market. Some of them are two-sided, most of them are one-sided. I am using this double-sided one for this cake, but you can use any lace you want. I'm gonna teach you how I use this double-sided lace. I am using gum paste for this. You can use a combination of gum paste and fondant or fondant with tylose. You want to roll the fondant really thin. I use my rolling pin, but then I go to my pasta machine and press it to a size number 4. You want to put it on top of the mold. Then you put on top the other side of the mold, and this will help you cut the gum paste. You can use your rolling pin to press down and cut it better. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just pull it, and once you pull the gum paste away, you can fix the edge. The good side about the mold being double-sided is that that top part helps you press the fondant really well, and it gives you a thin piece. It also helps show the details very well, but molds like Marvelous Molds have some really nice details, and you can press them really well too and make them thin. It's just a matter of playing with the mold. Depending on humidity, my gum paste will cut easier or it will be more elastic. I don't worry about that. All I want is to cut the excess away, then I will clean everything away. If I press too hard and I lost a little bit of the detail, I will add more of the gum paste on top, making sure that I don't have any holes. And then with my finger, I will make sure that all the gum paste is going towards the inside of the mold. I want clean edges. Add the gum paste wherever you see holes and make sure everything is well covered. Once you're done with this, you can press the top part again and make sure you have an even lace. After you do this, make sure you have no excess again on the corners, and you can take it out of the mold. I didn't put any cornstarch when I placed this mold here. You can add it for ease of taking it out, but as you can see, it comes out really easy. You can also put a little bit of shortening if you prefer not to deal with the cornstarch. Here is the finished look of the lace. You can add some super pearl to enhance the layers of the lace and add it to your cakes. I tend to use it dry, and I add it as soon as I finish making the gum paste piece before it dries. You want to make sure your brush reaches everywhere, and this is the finished look. Now all you need to do is add this to your cake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All the links will be posted in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Visit me in Facebook, Instagram, and until next time, ta-ta!